I don't like waiting and I'm waiting for a bus. In those two sentences, the word waiting has been used. But the spellings of the word is same. But the function of the word is different. In the first sentence, the word waiting functions as a noun. But in the second sentence, the word waiting is functioning as a verb. So, in today's lesson, you're gonna learn what is the difference between these two types of words. If I say it in other words, today's lesson is on gerunds. So, if you want to learn on gerunds, just stay with us. Hi everyone, I'm Sachi here and you're warmly welcome back to English Hub. So as you know, today's lesson is on gerunds. So first of all, you have to get a clear idea on what are gerunds. So let's see what are gerunds. A gerund is a form of a verb that ends in ing and it is used as a noun in the sentence. Got the idea? Yes. As you know, in a verb, there is an action. It refers to an action. But a noun? From a noun, it describes a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. So, we can say that a gerund is a blend of a verb and a noun. What is that? We can say like that as it looks like a verb. We can add ing to a verb. So, it is a verb. It is an ing verb. But that ing verb function as a noun in a sentence. So, it is a blend of a verb and a noun. So, we say for these types of words as verbal nouns. Now, it's time to see how to make gerunds. Let's see. First, you have to select a verb to make a gerund. Right? Like jump and sing. Likewise, second thing is give it an ing ending. First you have to select a verb and then you have to add ing to that verb. As jumping and singing. You took the verb jump and then you added ing to the end of that verb. Then that verb became jumping. Jump became jumping. Next matter is use it as a noun in a sentence. Right now we made a verbal noun, a gerund. So we can use it as a noun in a sentence like this. Singing is my hobby. Here, singing is a gerund. It is functioned as a noun in this sentence. Though we made that noun using a verb plus ing, it is not a verb. It is not functioned as a verb in the sentence. It is functioned as a noun in the sentence. So, we call it a gerund, right? Let's see more examples. Running is his favorite activity. Here, for the verb run, we can add an ing to make the gerund. Then it becomes a noun of the sentence. So that noun is called a gerund, right? Running is his favorite activity. Here from the word running, it is not implied an action. Let's see the next example. He enjoys running. Next example. Watching movies is one of her favorite hobbies. Watching movies. Here, watching is a gerund. So, it is functioned in this sentence as a noun. Next example is he spends a lot of time practicing. Here in this sentence also, the word practicing is a gerund. It functions as a noun of this sentence. Right? Let's see these two sentences. First one is Ramya is combing ants hair. Can you think in this sentence the word combing is a gerund or verb? If I say it in other words, the word combing is a noun or a verb in this sentence. Yes, you are correct. In this sentence, the word combing functions as a verb. Why is that? Previously, we discussed that from adding ing to a verb, we can make a gerund. So, it functions as a noun. But here I say, combing is a verb. What is the difference? Yes, there is a difference. When you use gerunds, you have to remember one thing. What's that? Though we add ing to a verb to make a noun, it is not same in all the types. Sometimes those types of words function as a noun. So, in such types of situations, we call those types of words as gerunds. But remember that we can make present participle verb forms by adding ing to verbs. Right here, the word combing is that type of verb. So here, the sentence is a continuous one, a present continuous one. So here, the combing is not a gerund. It is function as a verb in this sentence because this is a present continuous sentence, and with the be verb, we have to use the present continuous form of a verb to make the continuous tense. Right? Look at the next example. I'll be going my grandparents' home next week. Here also, the word going is not a gerund. Here, the form of the sentence is future continuous tense. So, you have to get a clear idea on these two situations. We can add ing to a verb and make a gerund, and that gerund can function as a noun in a sentence. So, if our gerund function as a noun in a sentence, we can call it a gerund. But if our verb plus ing word function as a verb in a sentence, it is not a gerund. It is functioned as a verb itself in that sentence. So you have to get a clear idea on these two types. I think that you got the lesson well, and if you enjoyed and like our video, you can press the like button and you can share our video to watch your friends also. Until we meet with a new lesson, goodbye all of you.